Along Muhoho Avenue is one of our finest residences, Meraki Phase 2. I'll be taking you through what we've achieved so far in the last couple of weeks. In the last couple of weeks, we did the casting for the 11th, 12th, and as of now, we're doing the formwork and steelworks for the 13th floor slab. We also did the formwork and the casting of the columns that span from the 11th floor to the 12th floor and from the 12th to the 13th floor. Something else we did were these staircases from the 11th to the 13th floor. In the coming days, we'll be casting the 13th floor. We'll also be doing the formwork and steelworks for the columns that span from the 13th to the 14th floor. It's been great taking you through the August progress. Stay tuned for more updates.